What's up, savvy expats? If you've seen my last video, we check out the Burgos Circle area, and I can't let this opportunity pass by because this is a clear example that High Street is back to normal. As you can see behind me, there's a ton of people, so we're gonna do a walking tour. It's Saturday, they have markets out. We're gonna check all of this out without wasting time. Let's go. All right, kicking off this tour, beautiful buildings. As you can see, they closed off this entire street on High Street. So you can see a lot of people just biking, a lot of people hanging out. And if this doesn't say that High Street is pretty much back to normal, I don't know what does. The only thing different is just that people are wearing masks, of course, and that's a given. Like I said in my last video, we walk around Burgos Circle, so if you always want to see that area, go check that out. All right. So we're gonna walk around here, a ton of people, and then we're gonna go walk around this area of High Street right down there. So again, as you can see, a ton of people out. There you have Shake Shack. And we're gonna check out this market here on High Street. And honestly, guys, this is completely new to me, seeing this much, people out in this market, because I haven't seen this here during the whole duration of the pandemic. Okay, so here we have we have a bunch of fruits and vegetables. But over here, I don't know what this is, like soaps, bathroom stuff. Okay. We have some sort of lights here. Hi, how's it going?
Good, everything's fine. How are you?
Good. Is this market here every Saturday?
Yes, every Saturday and Sunday we'll be here.
Oh, I see. How's business been over here?
Sorry?
How's business been?
This is my first Saturday.
Oh,
starting today.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good day. People are friendly out. And overall, guys, just good vibes out here because, again, like I said, it's a Saturday. Sunny. Awesome. So here's more of the market. I'm curious to see what they have here. Oh, it's a tiger sugar. Check that out, guys. Awesome. So there you have it. Pretty much that's the entire market. Of course, you have other stuff on this side too. I don't know. I'm curious to see what they have over here. They have tapa here. Cool. Alright. Let's continue walking back and look at the other side of BGC. So yeah, as you guys heard from that guy, this is here every single Sunday and Saturday. Let's go over to the left side. I'm gonna check out whatever they have. Check out whatever else they have over there. I really like how they don't require you to wear face shields anymore, as I said in my past walking tours. So if you guys want to go out when there's a lot of people and when there's a lot of action happening, totally recommend Saturday and Sundays. That's where it's at. That's where all the liveliness is. So you guys gotta come here on Saturday and Sunday. I'm telling you, this is my first time. It's awesome. In my past walking tours, guys, I've just gone out around maybe just the weekdays, so I never knew that it gets this packed. And so down in this area, they have a garden. Not really a garden, but just you're selling plants. A lot of the aunts and moms have been doing a lot of planting during this pandemic. They even have a term for it nowadays called plantitas. So if you're one of them, come over here. They have a wide selection of, I don't know what, just plants, whatever you call this. Plants, trees, flowers. So there you have it. But I have already toured around this area where the plants are, so we're just gonna skip that and continue the walking tour. But yeah, check that out if you guys are whatever, a plantita or plantito. Okay, and then down here, down over there, they have St. Louis. The food there is pretty good. And a new Japanese restaurant called Kiwami opened up there too. Ooh, that guy has a sick cowboy hat. So this is Kiwami. Again, like I said, a new Japanese restaurant. St. Louis. Sick cowboy hat. Alright, let's continue the walking tour. Yeah, definitely was not expecting it to be this lively. So great to see that. Oh guys, look at that German Shepherd. That's still a baby, that's still a pup. But if you guys have ever seen that movie I Am Legend, that's why I like German Shepherds so much. Sam, rest in peace Sam. Yeah, so honestly really great to see this. Great to see a lot of people out and great to see a lot of businesses running. Alright, let's keep this walking tour going down, I think it's called Pop-Up Street. So we're gonna go across the street and check out the other side of High Street towards this area. Again, lots of people out. As you can see, we're gonna cross here. And you guys can get a even better idea of how much people are walking around nowadays. So as you guys can see off the bat, again, a lot of people. I really like that marketplace area though, that was cool. I was definitely not expecting to see that much people out. And also that guy, he said that he was running that stand, that light stand. That was the first time running his stand there, so hope he gets a lot of business too. Okay, we're gonna keep walking down. And the amount of people out is unlike any other day on the weekend, so it's like night and day. When you compare the weekend to weekdays, 10 times more lively out here on the weekends. So highly recommend you guys come out here, like I said, Saturday, Sunday. There you have TGI Fridays. I believe we tried the barbecue here, the ribs, and if you compare it to the ribs in the States, this one's more saucy and there's less meat, at least from what we've experienced. So I didn't really like it as much, but you guys can still try it. Down there they have a fire tiger. Cool, cool. Let's just get a view of this grass area. Awesome. Alright, moving forward. Was any of you guys expecting that High Street looks like this now? Unless you have been here on the past Saturday and Sundays recently. I honestly wasn't. I keep on saying that because I only go here on the weekdays, so it's very surprising. If you're like me, I mean personally, I don't like a lot of crowds, so I like going out on the weekdays. But if you do, definitely come out here. Saturday, Sunday, that's the best days. Great experience. Here they have a Nike. There's plenty of clothing, restaurant stores, as you guys have already seen here on High Street. Starbucks, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Burger Brothers. They have a Go Bento right over there. They have what else they have? They have a Krispy Kreme down there. They have a bench, more clothing. They have Under Armour. They even have an IMAX store. They have a bookstore called Fully Booked. Shake Shack, St. Louis, Kiwami, Tsuda, which is a Michelin-starred Japanese restaurant. I can just go on and on, but you guys get the idea. Plenty of restaurants and shops here to check out. Today is absolutely beautiful. It's sunny, there's a breeze. Couldn't ask for better weather here in the Philippines. There you have an Italiani's, Baskin Robbins. They also have Cold Stones here in the Philippines. I don't know if I've tried that yet, but I miss the ice cream, the Cold Stone ice cream from the US. I'll have to try that out too. We've walked here in the past. Here they have some sort of, I don't know what you call that, but a cool structure type of thing. People just hanging out on the grass, relaxing. They have a bread talk down there. And what is that? I have no clue what that is. Some sort of rainbow stuff. Bread talk over here. Banana Leaf. I believe Banana Leaf is a Thai restaurant, so we have this. We tried the Sad Thai here before. The Sad Thai chicken. Phenomenal, guys. I'm not really a huge fan of Thai food unless it's Pad Thai or Sad Thai chicken, but Sad Thai chicken there with the peanut sauce. Excellent. So there you guys have it. That's pretty much all of High Street. And they also have that cool snowball looking dog. It's a cool dog. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is the end of the line of High Street. Tiger Sugar down there. I mean, we could literally walk to the end and see what's up down there. Udon Ramen. They have an Old Navy there. And then if you keep on going this way, guys, they have a Surendra, or the Surendra, where there's also a lot of restaurants, a couple of shops. They also have a Lamborghini shop too, guys. It's cool. If you guys enjoyed this video here on High Street, by the way, there's the Philly bookstore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys want me to check out the Surendra area, which there is a lot of shops, they have a Cold Stones down there. Let's get this video to 50 likes. I know you guys can do it. And let's continue this walking tour series. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.